Hello everyone, Sam is from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this small video as a weekly recap. Today's Saturday, so let's get started. Okay, so we started on the 2nd, May 2nd, and this is the first trade. The entry was on last Friday, but closed on the May 2nd on Sunday. So USD yen, 20-minute chart, buy entry here, and 70 pip. This is a long entry, right? I'm gonna at the end of this, I'm gonna explain the entry and the rules. So 70 plus pip on this one. Third was nothing, right? A couple of SL hit, that's it. No significant trade. Maybe a couple of them were like 30, 35 pip. I had to close them, so I don't even make the chart for those. Here on the fourth, pound Aussie 20-minute, 110 pip. Nice entry here, and then this was a beautiful entry as well, but since I was in the trade, so 110 pip here. And on the 5th, newsy news came out, very, very strong. Newsy got strong and sending pound newsy, euro newsy to the downside. This is a short entry here, all the way down for 145 pip. And similarly euro newsy, but the entry came up from 7-minute, and you see 125 pip all the way down. Several entries here, this one, this one, this one, this one. And on the 6th, USDCAD for 145, short entry here. My first entry SL hit, second entry I took, and all the way down. This is pound USD on the 7th. It went up, beautiful, 95 pip. And on the 7th, Aussie yen on the 20-minute chart, 75 pip, a long entry, right? So these are a few trades, but some of them are like pretty big. So that made my week. So now let me show you the 4 conditions of the setup. For example, this is a long setup here, right? And 75 pip. So why didn't I go long here? So when you see the conditions, you understand. So the first condition, I wrote it down on a notepad here. So yellow line must be above the adjacent thin black line, right? So where it is, see this yellow line, and adjacent means the next to it, close to it, and a thin black line is this one. So the yellow line has to be above the black line. Here, the yellow line came below the black, so the long entry was out of the question. Okay, so that's how you see it. Now this one, yellow is above the black. Yes, okay, good, very good, thank you very much. And now you can say that, okay, here's the same thing, but you see this indicator? Oh, so let me show you the second condition first. Now here, the second condition, the bottom indicator must be all the way down and turning upside. Okay, bottom indicator. So now see here, the first condition was there, but the second was not. This is not all the way down. But here you can see this is all the way down, turning to the upside. Okay, so these two are met, these conditions. Third condition, the price must be making a higher low. Right, so the price, you see this compared to this low, this is a higher low. But this low was not higher low to this. The last low was this, and this is lower low. This one is higher low. Right, this one was also, the problem here was it was, you see this here, lower low. So all the other two conditions were met, this one and this one, but not the third one. So these are not the entries, this is the entry. You have the first condition met, the second met here, and the third one is higher low. What is the fourth one? The fourth condition is red candles must turn blue. Okay, so when the price is dropping, coming into the wave, they are red. And then you get a reversal candle, right? And then you start to get blue candle. So the first blue candle finishes, and I'm supposed to open a trade. Right here, you can see that this was a reversal candle and the first blue candle, and boom, I open the trade and place the SL here. So that's why my SL is always 25 pip. If it hit, I lose 25 pip. It goes in my way, this is what happens. All right, so that's how it is. You have to let your winners run and close your losers fast. So I don't even have to worry about it. This is my rule, and that's about it. Now, When all these 4 conditions are met, my alarm start beeping. So even if I'm not here close to the computer and maybe around the house, my alarm, I have the sound full on, completely, like loud, right? So wherever I am, I can hear the sound and just come here and then see that, okay, this is the good one. It's a higher low. All the conditions are met, nice and clean, and boom, I open the trade. And obviously it should be the right time as well. Okay, the timing is also very important. There are some times when even if I have a good setup, I cannot take the trade. Okay, but these are the 4 conditions, and for the short, it's just the opposite. Okay, so what I want to show you that, and then keep in mind that this is the condition, and this rule has to apply in all my trades, right? So, okay, watch this one. This is the yen index 20-minute chart. I made it on the 25th April, right? And I said that, okay, it's going to go from here to here. And if it does, this will happen. What? This will send all yen pairs up. Means all yen pairs like Euro yen, Pound yen, Aussie yen, USD yen, CAD yen, New Zealand yen, Franc yen, all of them. They will all go up. That's what it says. And then obviously then I will be looking for, if that happen, if it start to happen, I will be looking for long entries in those pairs. So how many long entries did I get last week after 25th? So I was waiting, and then I start to see that, okay, yeah, this thing is going up, and all pairs start to slide to the upside. Then the time is to, put the alarm on and wait for the setups. So the first one, see, this is what happened to that chart. It went from this yen index 20-minute chart. I recorded it on last Friday, and from here, it went all the way here, as I said that it will do. See this? From here, my target was 57.24. Where we are now, just below that, 57.24. So all yen pair went up, all yen pair. Okay, you can go and take a look. And what did I do? The first chart I made on the 25th, which was Sunday, right? So after that comes 27, April 27, pound yen, 7-minute chart. You see it was all bullish, bullish, bullish. And look, same conditions. This is all the way down, coming up. Yellow is above the black. Higher, low. Red candle turns blue. I open the trade right there, and look what happened after that. All right. Then again, Euro yen. Okay. Now, first condition, yellow is above the black. Yes. Second, this indicator is down. It's touching the red line. That's fine. And it was turning up. Fine. Okay. And I was expecting that all these yen pairs going to go up. So, And the third is higher low. Yes. Okay. This is the low. This is the low, but this is way higher, and this indicator is all the way down. And the fourth is red candle turns into blue. I was kind of a little late here, but yeah, okay. Open the trade, sell, goes up 100 pip on the 27th, the same day. Then on the 29th, again, pound yen retraced and start to, jump again to the upside. Same conditions. You can see yellow is above the black. Even the 7-minute chart has the same conditions. The setup has to be, the same way. Okay. So all these conditions are met here. The alarm started beeping. I took the trade here, and then all the way up 80 pip. And on the 2nd May, this was, this is the first one. Okay, so we are back. Hold on. This is okay. Forget about that. So that was the second one. So on the 7th, this is the one. On the 7th, I got Aussie yen 20-minute 75. You can see here the same thing. Yellow is above the black. Higher low, indicate all the way down. Red candle turned blue. I opened the trade and 75 pip. Yeah, a couple of my entries got hit. I sell hit, right? But again, when I open the trade, and right here I place ESL, and this distance is always fixed 25 pip. So a couple of pips hit. Couple of trades SL hit. Even 3, that's 75. But you saw how many you know, pip wise, you can see here, this is 100, this is 100, this is okay. Now this is okay, hold on just a minute. Where the heck go the trades? All right, this is all the trades these are. So 75 pip here, look, 95, 145, right? Nuzi, Euro Nuzi 7-minute 125, pound Nuzi 145. See that? There is no SL hit here. And you open the trade here, boom, it goes down all the way. So this is how the system works. All right. So like I said, the final yen chart was like this. So now, if this is wave 5 finishing here, and let me see if I have this open here. Yeah. Okay. So this is my weekly, and this is a big number here, 57.24, and we went up and we hit this, right? Can we go all the way to these highs? Yes, very easily. So we have to be very careful. This is what the yen index is doing. This is yen index monthly chart. This is a nice trend line here. So can it go all the way there? Yes, and that would be a big problem for yen. Right? Yen going up means yen losing. You know, they're losing the value against all the other currencies. So yen is in trouble now. But remember, this like 57.24 is right there. That was the target. So we already met that target, but we have this one. We have these highs, right? So any of these can stop the move, and then we may drop back to testing this number, 54.73. So the drop is very, very possible. And if that happens, yen is going to get strong and all yen pair will turn to the downside. Then I will be taking short, and then I will be showing you next week my short entries and my short trades. This is how beautiful it is, step by step, systematic. If you can, you know, understand and learn. So, you know, if you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe. You know, now you have a weekend here, Saturday, Sunday, and sign up, set up the charts, and start trading from Monday. Or should I say learning? So learning first, right? You might have to spend maybe 4 or 5 days a week to understand the whole system, learn, attend my live webinars, ask me questions, understand the whole thing, and then you'll be good to go. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.